Let's read the question. Velocity time graph of a particle of mass 2 kg moving in a straight line is shown in the figure. Work done by all the forces on the particle is. This is the velocity time graph. Velocity is 20 at v time is equal to 0 and velocity is 0 at time is equal to 2 seconds. And we have to find out the value of work, that is option 400 joule minus 400 minus 200 minus 200. Okay, so which one of the following option is correct here? So first of all, to solve this question, we will see the key concept of the question. So in the key concept, हमारे पास हमें निकालनी है वर्क डन की वैल्यू. So हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. Okay, what this theorem says, work energy theorem. This theorem show the relation between work done and kinetic energy, and we have the value of velocity, so we can usually count here the kinetic energy. So work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. This is work energy theorem. Work done by all forces is equal to change in kinetic energy, that is work done. Okay, so now let us try to find out the value of work done here in the question. So हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या क्या गिवन है, हमारे पास मास गिवन है, दैट इज 2 kg. Okay, at t is equal to 0, v is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, and at t is equal to 2 second, 0 second, v is equal to v is equal to 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये हमारे पास वैल्यू इस क्वेश्चन में हमें गिवन है. ओके, सो हमें पता है वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क डन किसके इक्वल होता है, चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. दैट मींस काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइनल माइनस काइनेटिक एनर्जी इनिशियल. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस see the formula. So work done is equal to kinetic energy final, that means half m vf square minus half m vi square. Okay, so half of m is mass is 2 kg into vf final energy, that final value final speed, that is 0, minus half m vi initial speed, that is given in the question 20. Okay, so 20 square. So ये हमारे पास होगा 0 minus half of mass is 2 into 20, that means 400. 20 into 20, 2 is cancelled by 2, so this is equal to minus 400 joule. ये आई हमारे पास वर्क डन की वैल्यू. So work done is equal to minus 400 joule. This is the answer of the question, and ये हमारे पास मैच करता है हमारे ऑप्शन नंबर B6. So option number B is the correct answer of the question. I hope you understood it well.